This was when we first found out that I was sick. I was 16 and I was diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma, stage 2. There was this huge lump just coming out of my neck. I would show my brothers how big it was, and I have 3 brothers, and they'd, oh, you have cancer, you're growing a second head. And then they felt really bad when they found out it was cancer. It did make me realize that life is precious. I set goals in my life and went for them. I wanted to get married. I wanted to have a family. Mikkel's 3 and she's really outgoing, and Evan's 2 and he acts like a 2-year-old. But he's so sweet. He'll come up and give me hugs and say, I love you, Mommy. I am very grateful that I had that experience at 16. Because now, 12 years later, the cancer's back. And I got to go through all of this again, the shaving of the head. And I look the best when I have a little bit of hair, because it doesn't make my head look gigantic. It's gigantic. I have like the biggest head in the world.
It's like a beautiful little melon, you know?
The doctor diagnosed me with Hodgkin's lymphoma, and he told me it was stage 4 and that it was spread throughout my body. And he said that it's been growing for years. At first there was the shock, and then there was anger. I had been going to the doctor yearly. I was angry at myself because I didn't get the CAT scan after having Evan. I was angry at the doctor for not finding it. But then the more I thought about it, I kept thinking, if we had found this when it started, back when it was maybe stage 1 or stage 2, I would have never had my kids. Chemo kills everything. It kills all of your blood cells. I will be infertile. I mean, it's pretty much for sure. So I definitely feel that God was watching out for me there. I felt like he helped me have those 2 little kids.
That was a good fall. That was really good.
I had cancer once, and I beat it the first time, and I'm gonna beat it again. And I'm ready to fight for my life.
There are these moments when you look back and you can see God moving in your life. And you realize that he had a plan. He's moving things along.
It just reaffirms my faith. It makes it stronger that I need God there for me. My name is Tessa Winger. I am a wife. I'm a mother. I'm an expert at shaving my head. I'm a cancer fighter. And I'm a Mormon.